Hello friends, in this demo we will continue exploring conditional formatting of matrix control. We are now going to the icons and we are doing the slide bar on. So all of these changes will apply to or are applied to currently selected columns. If you scroll down further you can see here icons corresponding to UK and US. Hmm. Yes, you can see here that it's working, format is working properly so that these icons are really works. So these particular choice of icon might not be appropriate for this particular. So let's go ahead and change them. What we will do for that, we will go for advanced option. This is the advanced formatting. You can use in few versions it is given here like advanced formatting, not FX, so you can understand both are same thing and both will do the same work. So as we click on here and we can see the icon here maybe the way you you select like format by profit or by sales. So format by rules, let me go format by rules here and applies to here may be various values only, values and totals only. So we are going with values only. Now, based on we are going sum of, you can see, we can select here multiple things on the data, on the column, on the way you really want, you can select here. Summarization function should be sum and icon layout we may change. Left of data you really want, icon only you want, and right of the data you want. It's your choice. You can even change it. You can customize it, things according to your requirement. Icon alignment, you can change top, middle, bottom. We are just going with default setting. Style, there are, if you scroll down in here you can see there are various choices you may go with. And if you are familiar with Excel, even we can use there too, these type of things. If we are going with a new rule, what are new rules? New rules are these things which where you have decided the rules for few values. You, if value is this, then go with this. If value is this, then go with that. So these are the value. These are the specific form. So if value is greater than or equal to 0, value is greater than or equal to 0 and 33%, let's, we are going with 30%, then icon may be this, or if you really want you can change it. Okay, or if second rule, if value is greater than, minimum value is this and maximum value is this, then change to this. And third one rule, if value is greater than or equal to this and less than or equal to 100, then rule is this. If we go and select OK, where we can see our changes has been currently applied or not. So in our data matrix, if we go here, we can see there are few changes and the current values which we have selected has been applied successfully. So guys, if we are going to go in detail here, we can go to the focus mode where we can see, and even we can use drill down here too if it's really required. Now we go to the back to report. So this is the end. We are this is here we are ending our demo of conditional formatting as well as matrix control. So matrix control is extremely versatile and powerful in Power BI. We can use it along the matrix, along the rows, along the columns, and we can show appropriate data in different ways. In our next demo, we will start a new topic. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you guys.